Hello, first graders. I'm really excited about this week because we get to do some experiments just like scientists would. So if you're able to, grab this paper in your packet. You'll see the flashlight as the first thing and turn it until you find the one with cups. Okay, it says recording sheet. If you need to pause at any time, please go ahead and pause. Okay, so our first experiment says glasses of water. Listen to the glasses as your teacher hits them. Record how much water is in the glass and what sound it makes. So in order to make this more interesting, remember the scientific method has a question. So my question today is which one of my glasses will sound the highest. So dun, 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 high. So let me show you the glasses. My first one is not very much, right? And I made them blue so you can see them better. So there it is. And I'm going to do this on my paper and you can do it with me. I'm going to grab a blue because that's kind of the color. And I'm going to draw it right here, okay? And you can color that in if you want. You can always pause, okay? Okay, so that's my first one. My next one is this one. And you'll notice they're all the same size. I did that on purpose so that it's accurate data. So our next one is half full, okay? So I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to put it halfway. And you can go ahead and color it. Okay, and then my very last one is so full. Do you see how full that is? I didn't want to put it clear up to the top. I didn't want it to spill. So let's go ahead and draw that one. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Okay, so remember my question was which glass will have the highest sound? So whichever one you think, put a star by it. And remember, in science, there's no right or wrong answer. We're just asking questions, okay? So now is the fun part. We get to experiment. So, first of all, this is my little one that had only a little bit in it. And I'm going to use scissors because I don't have a spoon. So ready? Okay, so that's the first one. It sounds kind of high. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's do the medium one next. Oh, sorry, that's not medium. Let's do the medium one next. That's weird. I'm not kidding, I did not expect that. Okay, and our final one, here we go. The full glass. Did I like break it? This one, the one that makes no sound. So, okay, so we're gonna listen for how they sound. Let's do it again. This is the littlest one. I would say that had the highest sound. I have no idea what's going on with this friend. Okay, so I would say, so now I'm gonna look at my data. I would say the, capital the, oops, that's okay. The smallest amount, so this is the amount. So that had the least water. The smallest amount was the highest. Let me check one more time. So we've got my middle one that I don't understand what's going on with it. We've got my bigger one. And then we've got my little one. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. So it's a dun, 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 dun. It's like a third. Okay, was the highest. The smallest amount was the highest pitch. And pitch is the sound, okay? So pitch is da, 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 any sound. So we can put our short little one away. Okay, now let's go to our medium one. It's this one right here. Let's ding it again. Isn't that interesting? I did not know it wouldn't make really any sound. I'm going to write the middle and remember you can pause this at any time. The middle amount this would be had the highest pitch. Sorry. Had. I would say it really didn't have a pitch. Dun, dun, dun. It's almost like a lower pitch. Had. I'm just going to say the middle amount had no real pitch. That means we didn't really hear a note. I just hear it muffled. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. So, or you could say it was the lowest pitch. Okay. Okay. And now let's look at this one, the fullest one. Okay, and we would say that one was in the middle. The highest amount, and remember you can go ahead and pause this to copy it. The highest amount had a middle pitch. So if you're counting this one, it was the middle. But if you're just counting these two, this would have been the lowest pitch, okay? So I'm going to say one had the highest pitch. And then 2 had the next highest, and last of all is 3. And why that is, I'm not sure. I'm going to have to Google it. But that is all for today, my friends. Thanks for joining me. Bye, everyone.